Thank you for visiting the CNS Licensing Center. I'm Adam Galante, and in this video we will be covering the requirements to buying a vehicle out of state. In order to register a vehicle that has been purchased out of state, please bring the original title signed by the seller. The seller's signature may be required to be notarized on some out-of-state titles. The requirements are different from state to state, and if the title is in a company name, please bring a letter of authorization to sign on behalf of that company. We do not require the seller to be present. However, the seller must provide a letter of authorization and title with notarization if applicable. If you have any questions about this, please give us a call. The vehicle being registered will need to be present to conduct a VIN inspection. If that is not possible, a legible tracing of the VIN is acceptable. You may also use Form MV41 from the PennDOT website for the verification. This form needs to be completed by either a notary public, Pennsylvania inspection mechanic, or a police officer. The buyer will also be required to bring a valid government-issued photo ID. We accept 7 different forms of identification, which include a valid PA photo driver's license, ID card, photo exempt driver's license, photo exempt ID card, a valid Pennsylvania 15-day temporary internet driver's license or ID card renewal credential, and the expired driver's license or ID card, a valid PA camera card and PA expired ID credential, and lastly, a valid U.S. Armed Forces Common Access card. Please note that dependents of Armed Forces personnel must provide a valid United States Uniformed Services Identification and Privilege card, also known as Form DD1173. If the buyer is applying for registration, they will need their current Pennsylvania car insurance, which can be shown through any of the following: an insurance ID card issued by an insurance carrier or by a self-insured, the declaration page of an insurance policy, a copy of a valid binder of insurance, or a valid copy of an application of insurance to the Pennsylvania Assigned Risk Plan. If titling in a business name, please bring an authorization letter with the business ID number, insurance in the business name, and proof of existence of the company. After you receive your plates and registration, you have 10 calendar days for a Pennsylvania vehicle inspection. Please note that Pennsylvania State and CNS Licensing Center fees will apply for the transfer of a title. If you need any assistance or clarification on any of the details related to an out-of-state title transfer, please call us at 717-627-4334, or you may email us at info@cnslicensing.com, and one of our CNS licensing specialists will be able to assist you.